So final topic of this chapter is 3D shapes. As you can see, we have cuboid, cube, sphere, cylinder and cone. Now first one is cuboid. Now you have already studied rectangle. Now if we see three-dimensional form of rectangle, which is cuboid. A matchbox is the example of this. As you can see in front of you, this is a matchbox, this is another box. These two are the examples that you can check out in case of the cuboid. Now you can see this, if you see the top view of this is a rectangle. Fine. So these corners, these are the corners. These corners we call them vertices, and these flat surfaces are called as face. What we call them? Face. So this is face, and these corners are called as vertices, and this is also face. Fine. Now one face is this, one face is this. These faces are joining through this line. This is a line, you can see if I mark it. This is the line which is joining the two faces. This line is called as edge. So if you mark here, this is edge and these are vertices. Fine. So this is edge, these are the faces and these are the vertices. Now if I want to count how many faces or vertices it has, how I will do it? Let's see. If I hold it like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners here and 4 corners here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So how many vertices it has? It has 8 vertices. Now comes the edges, 1, 2, 3 and 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So how many edges it has? It has 12 edges. What is left? Face. So now face 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So it has 6 faces. Fine. So if you can do this activity at your home also, you can easily find any boxes of the shape of this cuboid and you can count their faces, edges and vertices. Same if you, so in case of cuboid we are taking the rectangle, but if we take the square where all sides are equal, that will make a cuboid. You can easily find these boxes at your home also. Fine. If you calculate the same, this cube also has 8 vertices, 12 edges and 6 faces. You can count it. Now sphere, this is the example of a sphere, a ball. It is the 3D shape of a circle. If you see the top view of this, it will be a circle. Fine. So a sphere is a 3D form of a circle. So these are the example of sphere. So it has only one curved surface. One curved surface. Fine. And no edges or vertices. No edges or vertices. So this is the example of a sphere. Now cylinder, this is the example of a cylinder. You can see it has one curved surface on this side and two curved surface on top and bottom. So this and this one. Fine. So how many surfaces it has? If you see this, 1, 2 and 1 curved. Fine. So it has 2 flat surfaces and 1 curved surface. Again you can check this is one surface, this is second surface and this one is the third surface. So every cylinder has 3 surfaces. Now it has 2 edges, one is this topmost and one is bottommost. Fine. So every cylinder has 2 edges. Fine. Now next thing is, now this is the example of a cone. You might have seen the birthday cap. Fine. This is the same as cone. This is the cone that you can see. So it has one flat surface. You can see this is the bottom one, this circle. This is the one flat surface. This one, this one is the curved surface. It has one edge. This line is one edge, and this is the corner. So it has one vertex. Fine. So in case of cone, you can easily have one flat surface, one curved surface, one edge at the bottom and one vertex. This corner at which all the faces are meeting, this is its vertex. So we have already seen the different example. This is cube or cuboid, this is sphere, this is cylinder, and this is cone. So you can collect all these things from your home and can do the activity related to 3D shapes. This is all about your chapter geometry. If you like the video, then do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.